behalf of the Board of Directors for Hospice and Palliative Care of Greensboro, I want to congratulate the organization on 35 incredible years of serving our patients, families, and community. The innovations of this organization over the last several years have created major breakthroughs in care and access of our patients who have serious illness.
Hi, it's Don Schumacher from HPCG, and I am so happy to be able to wish you congratulations on your 35th anniversary. This is one of my all-time favorite hospice programs because it employs a bunch of people that I really like. Pat Gibbons, Sue Cox, and Pat Sinkson. Hello to all of you and all of your families. And everybody who's watching all of this at work there, you work in a wonderful organization. There are now probably 5,500 hospices in the United States. There are probably about 400 hospice inpatient facilities, and I have to tell you, you have one of the best programs in the United States. So congratulations. It is due to all of the work that you put in all of these many years. I've been around for a little bit myself, almost going on 40 years this month, and it is astounding to me that the industry has grown and changed and taken care of so many more people than it did many years ago. I want to thank you all for what you do for the nation's hospices, for your organization, and really for the patients and families that you take care of. Without the wonderful care, support, and love that you give to individuals and families, we wouldn't be doing the great things that we already are. So thank you very much. Have a great party, and I would love to come and visit your program at some point in time. Thanks very much. Happy anniversary. Bye-bye.
Congratulations on your 35th anniversary. From the very beginning, Hospice and Palliative Care of Greensboro has been a mission-driven organization, and over time, your vision for delivering services to the greater Greensboro community has grown to support more diverse needs. I look forward to seeing your continued evolution and leadership in our industry. Guilford County is lucky to have you there. Congratulations on a job well done, and keep the innovation coming.
Happy anniversary. As a mother, I send you a sincere and heartfelt thank you for creating KidsPath. This pediatric palliative care program has put Greensboro on the map. But so much more important than that, your program has given our children the care, understanding, and love they needed when they needed it the most. Bless you all.
Happy 35th anniversary, Hospice and Palliative Care of Greensboro. We are delighted at United Way to be your partners. You are tremendous partners and you're doing great things in Greensboro. Not only have you helped me professionally, but personally. My mother-in-law received outstanding care from you. So I thank you very much for not only enriching your partners, but enriching our community and families in Greensboro. Thank you.
All of us at the Community Foundation of Greater Greensboro want to wish Hospice and Palliative Care of Greensboro a very special 35th anniversary. HPCG is one of Greensboro's greatest assets. The work they provide this community with professionalism, with grace, and with sincerity. I can't imagine Greensboro without HPCG. In addition, we are thrilled at the Community Foundation to call HPCG one of our largest fund holders, and it's an honor for us to be able to work with them in managing their very many endowments. Again, we want to wish Hospice and Palliative Care of Greensboro a very happy and special 35th anniversary.
Happy 35th anniversary, Hospice and Palliative Care of Greensboro. We appreciate so much the profound difference you've made over many years in the lives of people throughout our community and region. We also very much appreciate the strong partnership that we at Cone Health have had with you and look forward to that continuing into the future. All the best to you, and again, happy anniversary.
I'm Ron Johnson. I'm currently the chair of the Board of Trustees of the Hospice Foundation of Greater Greensboro. I wish to take this opportunity to congratulate Hospice and Palliative Care of Greensboro and its staff and volunteers for its 35 years of amazing service to the Greensboro community. In these 35 years, HPCG has worked with over 25,000 patients and their families. As an estate planning attorney, I get to work with many of these patients and their families as well. I can tell you personally that these families love, honor, and respect HPCG. I've worked with many nonprofits in our community, and I don't know of any other nonprofit that has worked as tirelessly and as selflessly as HPCG and its staff and volunteers have done to help those in our community. Again, I want to congratulate the staff and volunteers on 35 years of amazing service to our community, and we just look forward to the next 35 years.
Hey everybody, I'm Tim Rogers, President and CEO of the Association for Home and Hospice Care of North Carolina. And I'm sending you your greetings from probably the furthest place today of all your greeters. I'm in New York City, attending a national home health and hospice strategy meeting. But I didn't want this time to go by without me wishing you a happy 35th anniversary and to congratulate you on 35 years of service. From your humble beginnings in the basement of the Public Health Department when you were founded by a very diverse group of volunteers to the now sprawling 15 acres and campuses of your inpatient unit, your administrative buildings, you have really come a long way. And hasn't hospice come a long way in 35 years? I also want to say that no matter what our challenges and our trials and tribulations will be in the years to come, one thing that each and every staff member of Hospice and Palliative Care of Greensboro can count on is you have our full support of my staff and me from the Association for Home and Hospice Care of North Carolina. A heartfelt congratulations also to Pat Singson, your President and CEO, for being appointed to our new board member of the association. I want to congratulate your entire leadership team and to your direct care staff, from Pat to Tab to Susan to Rena to Paul and Pat and everybody else. I'm not going to be able to mention all the names, but I want to thank you for what you do for the citizens of Guilford and surrounding counties, and I would like to leave you with a toast. Raise your glass because I don't have one. Here's to sincerity, here's to prosperity, but most importantly, people, here's to longevity, and may you have another 35 years. Thank you and congratulations.